Using randomization for character creation. To randomize your character, you want to go to the button here. By default, your tab can look something like this, but you need to go under the utility tab, and here you find the randomize. Now, the randomize has three important buttons. The first one is the randomize all. So when I click on the randomize all, you can see my character changes. And when I click on it again, I have a different look. Now, the speed of this change depends on the strength of your computer, right? And mind you, I have the viewports shader set to material preview. You can also have it on solid, but I'm just going to go to material preview for the purpose of this video. So when you click on the randomize all, you have that. Now, one thing you need to notice is, as I click on the randomize all, every part of this character randomizes. And this includes the look of the character and the outfit of the character. This information can be controlled using these character options and the outfit options. So I'm just going to drop this down for you to see what they look like individually. Now, my randomize all works based on the information checked here. So I have the face checked, so the face will be randomized. I have the physique, I have the color, and I have the teeth of the character. Now, these informations will be randomized when I click on randomize all. And also under the outfit, I have the outfit only. I have color, surface, pattern. I have fabric, art, and okay, I think that's all. Now, if I don't want any information from the character option to be randomized, I can just uncheck that. And now when I click on the randomize all, you can see my character remains the same, but the outfit changes. All right. Now, the same thing applies to the outfits. I can turn that off and then randomize all to have the character change, but the outfit remains the same. Okay. All right. So now, what if you want to have the same effect of changing the character only or the outfit only without having to tamper with the check buttons here? That's simple. All you need to do is just click on the second important button under the randomize, which is the character. So if I just click on the character, the randomization applies only to the character and not the outfit. And if I do the same with the outfit, the randomization applies only to the outfit and not the character. Now we have something called props, and you can see props under outfit here. We have props and we have extras. So when I bring down the props gives you other models. You can see the glasses, see the nose mask. So there are lots of props. That's a cape. This is a hat for engineering purposes. If you have a character that you want to make look like an engineer or something. So now these props can also be randomized, and the extras can also be randomized. So these are the extras. I'm just going to show you one or two examples. You see, so you have that on the wrist of the character. So this is very, very obvious. So I'm just going to show you this. Let me look for a very obvious. Okay, so I just found one here. The ring on the hair. So if you uncheck that, you see. So that's the particular model for item 7 under extras. Now these extras can also be randomized by just checking on the extra and the props. So when I check on extra and props, you see that those things can also be randomized. So when I just hit on randomize all, now you can see the cape that wasn't showing before. Randomize all to have something else. Yeah, there. So